goes. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We hit 1,700 subscribers and then past that. Blows my mind. I think we're almost at 250,000 views. Crazy. Crazy. Who the hell wants to watch me? Makes no sense to me. Leaving on a jet plane is what we're doing now. John Denver. I think the version I know best, was it Joan Baez? But from Armageddon. That's the version I know the best. Well, John Denver's song. It's got a really nice melody, which makes it really good for the Merlin. Okay, so we got three chords: D, G. So D, open, open, open. G, we're going go three different versions. We're doing low G, 3, 1, open, high G, 1, 0, 1, 3, and then 3, 3, 3. We got the bar, and then two versions of the A, 1, open, 1, and 4, 4, 4. Oh yeah, so we got 6 lines to the verse, and that can be cut in half because the first half just repeats for the second half. So that means we got 3 lines, and then the first 2 lines are the same. So we got 2 lines altogether for 6 lines. See, when you break songs down like that, when you figure out the patterns, 6 lines become 2 lines. That's all you gotta learn, and you just have to put the repeat in the right spot. So it starts with an open D, then goes into the low G. So I like doing a hammer on the 1. So basically it's just climb up and climb down. So screwed that up, but that's the second line. So the first line, first 2 lines, repeat. Third line starts the same, then goes to the high G. Oh. So G, then you reach past the 3rd and hit to the 4th. Do an open strum of a D just as a transition and right into your A, 1, open 1. And then you repeat the first 2 lines again. That's your verse. So first line twice, second line once, first line twice, second line once. And that's the whole thing. And then we go to the chorus. So chorus is exactly the same when it comes to the chords, but the melody line is different. So if you're not doing melody line, you just want to sing, it's the same thing. So it's just D, G, D, G, D, G, A. That's the whole song if you're just singing it. You just repeat that over and over and over again. Now if you want, I'm going to start trying to do that too, because I know a lot of you guys don't care about the melody, you just want the chord so you can. So I'm going to try and make a note of that when I do future videos, just to do a straight strumming version when I do melody lines. Chorus. So chorus, we're going to go up a little higher. So we're going to go from 2nd fret slide up to the 4th fret. No, never mind. Start on the 4th. So 2 hits on the 4th. So 4, 4, 2, 4, G. G is a climb down. So 3, 2, open. All while keeping that middle string first fret. So that's the main part of the chorus. That repeats a lot. So that's so kiss me and smile for me. Do it again. Third time. We're gonna go up higher. So third time is, so D is the same, and then you go to your G, add 5. So 3, 3, 5. 3, 3, 4. 3, 3, 3. And then 4, 4, 4. Oh, hold on. So that's the first part of the chorus. Second part of the chorus, you actually do that again. Same, you go up high. This is because I'm leaving on a jet plane. But you don't go back up to the A. Back into the D. Back into that first way. And then the last time. So we're doing the same ending as we do in the verse. So the G, so 1, 0, or 0, 1, 3, but we're going to stretch the fourths. And into the A. So the second part through the chorus, leave. So basically you're combining all the parts we already learned. So the chorus all together, all the parts. And then you go into verse 2. So just a quick note on that verse before we finish up here, because that's it, that's the whole song. When you do the verse, you do the D. When you go into the G, it's good to use your pick and just hit some single notes. So you do the hammer on. You want to just pick back the high to middle. That just gives it a little bit more of the melody line there. I'm gonna show you one, guys, one day. I have to take a picture of my tripod setup, how I have it. I mounted a, you know those stupid cameras? They're not stupid, they're awesome. I wish I had one. They're freaking expensive. The point and shoot cameras that have the flip up screen so you could actually see yourself. Like to find one of those things is like $500, and that's the cheap ones, and they go crazy price from there. So what I did is I took my tripod and then I mounted a bar on the bottom of it, and then I've got one pole coming up that has a mirror, a foldable mirror. That's why you always see me reaching up here, because when I move the camera up and down, I have to adjust the mirror so I can see what I'm filming. So I just have a mirror behind the phone, and then I have a second bar behind that coming up even more that has a light on it. Yeah, I was quite proud when I put this all together. It's so much better than what I had. That's it. Was that what you call a humble brag? I'm talking about how good my tripod design was. It is. It's awesome. Leaving on a jet plane, John Denver. like I said, it's just an awesome melody, and it suits it so nice for the Merlin. I think, as we all know, as we start going through songs, everything sounds so good on the Merlin. It just does. Been getting a lot of comments from new people lately, so hi to all my new people. I've seen your comments. I'm horribly bad at replying. I reply to everybody. It just takes me time to go and do it, sit down. But hi to all the new people. 1,700 people. Jeez. Okay, I'm talking too much. Practice patience, have fun. We will see you guys next time.